Hao, it's me, Dr. Ammar. I am back with another class. Let's open the Mandarin 2 textbook and go to page 2, where we'll find the first dialogue of the first lesson. I will recite it to you. 你的爱好是什么？我的爱好是爬山。你呢？我的爱好是看电影。你喜欢看电影吗？喜欢。我常常去看电影。明天我们一起去看电影，好吗？好的。明天见，明天见。You see, we find new expressions as has been pointed out in the textbook. You can find here, 爱好 means a hobby or interest. 爬山 means to climb a mountain. 看电影 means to watch a movie. 常常 means so often. 一起 means together. And 明天见 means to see you tomorrow. But let us focus on the first one, 爱好. That's the most important one of this topic. 爱好, as I've said, means a hobby or interest. In a sentence, it is placed after the pronoun and before the verb. That the verb usually refers to the hobby or interest in question. As you can see, 你的 means your, 爱好 means hobby, and 是什么 means is what. Together, it's your hobby is what, or what is your hobby. The one afterwards is 我的 my, 爱好 for hobby. 是爬山 which means is to climb a mountain, or my hobby is to climb a mountain. I'm sorry. My hobby is to climb a mountain. So that is how you use 爱好 in the sentence. It's the same way you can see later with 喜欢. 你喜欢看电影吗? And which means, do you like watching movies? Hopefully you understand that much, because we are going next word. Let's go to page 8, where we will find the third exercise, where we are to rearrange the words to make proper sentences as they are given out of order. The first one, the words are 鸡, 喜欢, you, and 他. As I said before, you start with the pronoun, then you put 喜欢 or 爱好, and then you put the verb afterwards. The pronoun is 他, and then we have 喜欢, you put that second. The one afterwards is 踢足球, which means to play football. So together it's 他喜欢踢足球. The next question, we have 的, 爱好, 爬山, 我 and 是, and 树. Sorry, I pronounced that wrong. We start with 我 means I, and the makes it possessive, so it becomes my. And 爱好, and then 是爬山. Together, 我的爱好是爬山, or my hobby is to climb mountains, as he has said before in the first dialogue. Going over the third and fourth dialogue, the third and fourth question, pardon me. I've already explained to you the logic behind it, so I'm not going to explain it again. I'll simply give you the answer. 他常常去看电影. And the fourth is 明天我们一起去游泳. I hope you have understood what I have taught you. And I will say the hardest part is definitely the pronunciation. As you have saw before, I kept mispronouncing it due to the different tones. I still struggle with that even as a teacher. However, fortunately, Sarah Lauscher has given us slides that link towards audio files which play out the sentences as they are meant to be pronounced. So if you have trouble with how certain words or sentences are supposed to be pronounced, you may refer to them. Now, thank you for listening. 再见。